There's some more breaking news coming in. AAP has trained guns on the Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena. Saurabh Bharadwaj has said that as far as he knows, the LG has used to work in a cement factory and he didn't know that he's a doctor, an expert in health issues. Of course, Saurabh Bharadwaj is after hitting out at Delhi LG after Sanjay Singh over his claim that Kejriwal is not consuming enough calories, which is leading to his weight loss.
मुझे तो ये पता था एलजी साहब सीमेंट की फैक्ट्री में काम करते थे। वो डॉक्टर भी हैं, डायबिटीज के स्पेशलिस्ट भी हैं। ये जानकारी मुझे किसी ने दी नहीं। मैं उनका बायोडाटा कहीं देख नहीं पाया, मैंने कई जगह गूगल किया, मगर क्यों नहीं की, उन्होंने चुनाव नहीं लड़ा तो उनका कहीं पे भी एफिडेविट नहीं है जो ये बता सके कि उन्होंने जीवन में क्या किया है। यदि वे डॉक्टर हैं, डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट हैं, तो जरूर जो है मैं उनके पत्र को पढ़ के जो है उस पर चिंता व्यक्त करूंगा।
Right, Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live on the broadcast. Amit, give us more clarity on what exactly AAP is saying on the Delhi LG's claims.
In this particular case, Aam Aadmi Party is actually countering the Delhi LG V.K. Saxena's claim. The letter that has been, in which LG office has claimed that Arvind Kejriwal is not taking enough calories, as well as the administration of insulin has been reduced by him. Aam Aadmi Party first said that there is an entire conspiracy, a plot to kill Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, which has been hatched by the BJP. And after that, it had said that in the ever since his arrest, 8 times his blood sugar level has actually dropped to the very dangerous levels as low as 50, which could actually lead to him falling into coma. That's what Aam Aadmi Party was claiming till this morning. And now Saurabh Bharadwaj, the Delhi minister, has hit back at V.K. Saxena, the Delhi LG, saying that he didn't know that LG is a doctor, an expert on diabetes. He used to work in a cement factory. Otherwise, had he fought elections, his biodata would have been in public domain, through which they would have known his expertise. So clearly, attack on Delhi LG, rebuttal coming from the Aam Aadmi Party, and also accusing the BJP of trying to adversely impact Arvind Kejriwal's health in Tihar jail. Back to you.
Right, thanks Amit for giving us all those details. Politics over Kejriwal weight escalates. AAP claims that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's health is deteriorating rapidly, with the sugar levels dropping dangerously low for the 8th time, putting him at risk of falling into a coma or suffering a brain stroke. To address these concerns, Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena has written to Tihar jail mandating the authorities to closely monitor Kejriwal's diet and insulin regimen. In his letter, he claimed that Kejriwal has been intentionally consuming fewer calories, resulting in noticeable weight loss. Given his medical history of type 2 diabetes, there have been troubling discrepancies in his insulin and blood sugar monitoring. Meanwhile, the BJP counters these claims, suggesting that Kejriwal's actions are a tactic to influence his bail applications.
तिहाड़ जेल के सुपरिटेंडेंट की चिट्ठी अब सार्वजनिक हो चुकी है। इसमें स्पष्ट रूप से लिखा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल, जिन्हें घर का भोजन दिया जाता है माननीय न्यायालय के निर्देश के द्वारा, वो जानबूझकर लो कैलोरी फूड ले रहे हैं, खाने की मात्रा कम कर रहे हैं। 6 जून से 13 जुलाई के बीच लगातार अपनी डाइट को कम कर रहे हैं कि किसी तरह से वजन कम हो जाए और वो सहानुभूति न्यायालय के सामने रख सकें कि मुझे तो बेल चाहिए।
See, as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, Aam Aadmi Party is in a habit of making a hue and cry of everything. I mean, they want to play a vendetta politics and which other politics, like we are getting a vendetta politics and Modi ji is responsible. But what I feel generally, that who is responsible is ultimately Arvind Kejriwal's either family or Arvind Kejriwal's close one. The reason I'm telling you, the reason is Delhi Tihar jail comes under whom? Delhi administration, and Delhi administration head is Arvind Kejriwal.